This video is going to be a product review of the Aoycocr A19 LED light bulb. This is your standard E26 base light bulb, just like this light bulb over here. But the advantage is you control this by your cell phone. If you have Alexa, Alexa Dot, Echo. If you have Google, you can control this with your voice. I'm going to show you how to do that. It comes with an instruction manual, very easy to set up. The first step, you will be installing Smart Life app on your cell phone. You can get that from your Android or iPhone store. It's free. Once you get it set up, you have control of this light bulb to turn it on and off from anywhere in the world. You can turn it on from your cell phone. You can use your voice. With the Dot or the cell phone, you have control of this to give you 16 million different colors. When I get this going and you see it, it's absolutely incredible. It's amazing. You can have all these different colors set on that bulb in your house. It's even dimmable. So let's get going. We'll set it up, show you how to do everything. One of the special features of this brand of light bulb is it is 6500K. Daylight is 5500K, so this is going to give you a very bold, bright white to lighten up the room. Let's get the cell phone over here and set it up. Install your Smart Life app on your cell phone. You are going to have to put in your Wi-Fi. This only works on a 2.4 gig Wi-Fi. It does not work on a 5 gig. 2.4, you're going to have to put in your password. Everything's safe over there. After you get it going, you're going to take your light bulb and you're going to put it into the socket. And you need this bulb to be flashing rapidly. If it's not flashing rapidly, you will not be able to link this to your cell phone. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off the power. I'm trying to get it to go into the link mode, into the fast flashing mode. There we go. We're flashing. That's all you have to do to set it up. Now, over to the cell phone, I have the cloth covering my phone number. I press plus, and we are going to look for all our options over here. I want to find a light bulb. We have a lighting message over there. So I will click on lighting, and now we get our light bulb messages. I'm going to do a regular light bulb. We're not doing Bluetooth. We're not doing that one. We're doing a regular light bulb. Now it's going to ask me, is the light flashing? The light is still flashing. If it doesn't flash, after you get to this point, just turn it on and off until you get it flashing again. Confirm that it's flashing. Make sure that you have your Wi-Fi passwords in there. Remember again, 2.4 gig only. You're going to see it about 12%. You're going to hear a message in the background from my Alexa, and the light might turn on and off. We're going to probably have a message over here at about 12–15%. Then we will be talking directly to the light bulb. If that doesn't happen, start all over again. It's very easy to do this.
I found Smart Lamp Q02, and you can control it by saying, turn off Smart Lamp Q02.
Okay, so it has given us the name of Smart Lamp Q02, which I want to rename. I just rename that to Lamp. Alexa's very tricky, so it might not understand some of the words that you set, and if it doesn't understand it, then just rename it until you get a word that Alexa likes. So we have Operation Successful. I'm going to click Done over here, and now we're going to get the message on the screen strictly for this light bulb that I've just set up. There it is. We have the light over there, as we see, and now we're just going to work on the cell phone for a minute. I'm going to turn it off. Light is off. You see the reflection. You also see the message, light is off, light is on, light is off, light is on. And now, this is where this light is just absolutely amazing. Let's watch this for a second. We have a schedule. We can set a schedule, whatever schedule you want to turn the light on and off. You should be able to set this in groups, so if you have more than one bulb, you can turn on the groups. You should be able to share this with people so they can control it for you, different members of the family. Let's go over to white and see what we have. We have white, that's our dimmer, that's our brightness. So I'm going to do this. And we can watch. Now I want you to see the bulb. That's the important part. I have all my video lights off, so we are looking only at the bulb now. Brightness, we're at full brightness. Wow, that's nice. Perfect for a room. It's going to help you save a lot of money on your electrical bills. LEDs should last you a long, long time. So we're going to go to the best part of this light. We have a menu on the cell phone for color and another one for scene. So I'm going to click on color. Oh my God, look at this. I just love these bulbs. So we have a saturation. I'm going to go over to, we're at 100%. I'm going to change the saturation all the way down to 0. We're going to go to about the midpoint. And we also have on that same screen the brightness. We have the dimmer. Now let me show you what I just did. Saturation, 100%. And you can also see it on the cell phone, what's going on. I'm going to go back up. We're going to got the brightness over here, full brightness that we saw before. Now we're very dim. Now this is the exciting part. I want to show this to you on the cell phone, then I'm going to show it to you. Probably see a little bit of it in the room, reflection, but you can change the colors. And that is why this light bulb is a great purchase. Let's look at the bulb now. Now, in a dark room with a video camera, it's going to be a little different looking at the colors of the light, but we are going to go to an orange. Try to go to an orange. We go to a green. Look at this. Is this not absolutely incredible? So you could do this. You could have this light in the baby's room or in your kid's room, and you could control the light, different colors. You can control the saturation with the different colors. You can dim the light so it's not too bright for them. And let's go over to different colors over here. Blue. We're going to go back up to 100% saturation. We're going to go back up to 100% bright, and then I'm going to turn on the lights. The final feature is scene. Right now we have it at green, and the bulb is the same green. I'll show it to you in a minute. We have different options here for night. Read. I want to show that to you on a light bulb now. I've got the video lights on, so it's a little brighter, but we'll go back to night. We have that brownish, reddish, reading. Different shades, different colors. Or we can go back over to the screen that I showed you before, where we can control all the color. So in the video description, I am going to leave a link. You can click on that link. It will take you directly to Amazon so that you can order this light bulb today. 16 million incredible colors, very easy to set up. You can even link this app, the Smart Life app, to your Alexa Dot, and let's see what happens when we do that. Alexa, lamp off.
Okay.
Alexa, lamp on.
Okay.
Alexa, lamp red.
Okay.
Alexa, lamp blue.
Okay.
Alexa, lamp yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, lamp green.
Okay.
Make sure you click on that link and order this lamp from Aoycocr today.